All right, I want to give you guys a little progress update on the chassis, and then we'll talk about wheels, front wheels, back wheels, and everything. I've been doing a lot of stuff, but I haven't been recording it, so I'm going to just give an update. Try not to slam it too hard. Okay, so this is the chassis so far. The main core part of it is done. I added these little upright sections, these little angled sections at the front here because I want my center of gravity to be as low as possible. Tricycles flip over and roll and stuff. So I just don't want that to happen. I want to be able to actually like kind of corner a little bit and not have it roll over. So by raising these two mounting points for the front two wheels, I don't have to worry about that as much. It'll ride a little bit lower. It might look a little bit cooler. So I did that, that's an update. I've got the whole, from front to back triangulated in. So this is a triangle. This is not a triangle, but it's close to a triangle. And this is a triangle. And so hopefully I don't get any flex longitudinally. Am I way overbuilding this? Yes, probably. This right now weighs 30 pounds. And then I've got the hub motor. Let me show you the hub motor. So this is the rear hub motor. This is a GMAC 10T. This is a geared permanent magnet synchronous AC motor. This has a thermistor. Probably not a thermistor, but it has a temperature sensor inside of it and a tachometer. So my power unit will be able to read all of those things. And internally, it's got a 5-to-1 gear reduction. This is probably another 15 to 20 pounds. So we're up to like 55 pounds now. Oh yeah, dude. Race car, baby. Like this. This is so dumb, I love it. Oh my God. So the length of the steering rack right now is way too far away. The steering is gonna be like down by your knees, which I mean would technically work to get it moving, but it's gonna be like steering out here. So ideally, you want the steering pretty close to you, like this.